What makes me the happiest is that we get contacted by people who are at a moment of incredible distress and incredible vulnerability. And that's true for everyone that calls us. But most of all, there was a lady who was immunocompromised, very stressed out by her situation, had a terrible mold problem, didn't trust anyone, but we got her to trust us, and that job was 2 years ago, and we still talk today. And our company, our culture, and who I am and who my wife is, we own the business together. I just know that I'm not going to mistreat that lady. I'm not going to overbill her. I'm not going to make this a bad situation. I just know that she is going to be treated fairly if she calls us. It's just a personal thing, and it's what I love most about this business.